I've been testing crypto platforms for a few years now, not reviewing them, not promoting them, actually putting real tokens in and seeing what happens. And over the last few months, I've been specifically going down the rabbit hole of AI automated trading, like bots, algorithmic execution, the whole ecosystem around it. And today I want to pull back the curtain on how this stuff actually functions, walk you through it on screen, and then, and this is the part I actually care about, give you some real practical advice on how to protect yourself out there. Because trust me, you're going to want to hear that part. Okay, let's move. Let me show you what a legitimate automated trading setup actually looks like from the ground up, step by step. I'm on the platform right now, and I'm tapping Launch Bot right here. Okay, we're in.
So first thing staring me in the face is trading pair. Now the reason this list is so long is because this thing is scanning 20 plus exchanges at the exact same time. So naturally I've got a ton of flexibility on which coin I go with, but I'm not overthinking it. Tron coin, done. Okay, I'm switching it to live mode right here. And now this field pops up asking to add my receiving address. So I'm gonna jump into my wallet. Okay, I'm in, copying it. Okay, hopping back over here, and I'm just going to paste it. There we go. So now I've got capital allocation in front of me. This is basically just how many tokens I'm putting to work this session, and I'm going with, yeah, right around there. That's my number. Okay, and right underneath that is risk level. And honestly, this one deserves a proper explanation.
Think of it as the bot's personality dial. Like on one end, it's cautious. On the other end, it's basically feral. I'm keeping mine somewhere that makes actual sense. Engaged, but not reckless. And then, okay, last setting, arbitrage strategy. This is literally just the AI picking its game plan for the session, the specific method it's going to apply when it's hunting for price differences across all those exchanges. Okay, so I'm doing one final scan of everything here. Yeah, looks exactly how I want it. Moving. So, deposit screen just came up, and this is actually a detail I want to flag because it's useful. I don't have to come in with TRX. Whatever token is sitting in my wallet right now, that's totally fine. They handle the conversion into the right one themselves before the bot touches anything. So, give me literally 1 second. Okay, submitted. Hitting I have sent, and okay, there it is. So right here on the dashboard, I can see everything unfolding in real time. Trades executing, win rate updating, average spread tracking, and a chart pulling all of it together. So I'm gonna let this work for a few minutes, and then I'll show you exactly what happens when we bring it in for a landing.
Okay, so I'm tapping stop and withdraw right now. Good, so this screen is the full story of what just happened. Total time, every trade that executed, the strategy it ran on, win rate, and the final profit figure with the platform's fee already baked out of it. Okay, I'm hitting withdraw now, just waiting here while that clears. My tokens should land within a few minutes. And while we wait on that, I want to get into the part of this video that I actually think is the most valuable.
So from years of firsthand experience, here are two things I check immediately before I do anything else. First one is website design. And I know that sounds almost too obvious, but it's actually one of the most consistent signals I've found. Fake platforms almost always have something subtly wrong with how the site looks. Maybe the fonts don't quite match between pages. Maybe certain sections feel like they were copy-pasted from 3 different sources. Maybe the imagery has that generic quality that doesn't really fit what the platform is claiming to be. It holds up for about 5 seconds of casual scrolling, and then it starts to unravel the moment you actually pay attention. Second thing is the interface itself. A platform that's built to operate long-term has to invest in making the experience actually work, because user retention depends on it.
A platform that isn't built for that doesn't have the same incentive, so the interface tends to end up either weirdly overcomplicated in ways that serve no real purpose, or weirdly sparse in ways that don't match what the platform is claiming to offer. Like just enough functionality to look operational without actually being usable. Okay, so to bring all this back to what's actually on my screen today, I've been testing this platform for a few weeks, and I want to be precise about what that looks like. Over 30 sessions total, tested deliberately across pretty much the full range of supported tokens, varied the allocation and settings each time, because that's the only methodology that actually means anything, like consistency under different conditions over a sustained period. That's the test. Lucky platforms don't pass that, solid ones do. And this one has. Every withdrawal has gone through, every session has tracked the way it's supposed to, nothing has ever come up that made me question what I was looking at. So thanks for watching this one, genuinely. Catch you on the next.